think it's high time to call them once again on stage. Ladies and gentlemen, our 19 lovely candidates for Mutiara Panahon 2024. Afterwards, there is an opportunity for our friends from the media, please. This juncture, may I also request our VIPs to join us on stage for the photo op. Hold for a while. Please be ready. Please be ready.